People are generating thousands of dollars daily on this free website, and now I'm going to show you around on it and show you how to maximize your profits. Hello guys, how is going? Today I'm going to show you how you can get paid over $1,000 weekly on complete autopilot. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience. And you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. This method is available worldwide and it is really fresh, so it's going to work through 2021 as well. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because that way you are not only helping me, but you are making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. Now, the first website I need you guys to connect to is called Free Bitcoin, but make sure you pay attention to the spelling because it is spelled freebitco.in. So connect to this URL and you should be able to see that you will have a few different options here. There are a few different features that you can use in order to monetize your time online, but not all of them are equally profitable. And I'm going to show you the best way that you can use this website in order to maximize your profits and get some serious and considerable results. Now, as you can see, they've got over 40 million registered users, and that's really crazy. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see all of their features over here. Now, if we take a closer look at this list here, you can see that you can earn free Bitcoins for simply connecting to the website every hour. More precisely, you can win up to $200 in free Bitcoins. So if you decide to take your time and connect every single hour to the website, over time, you might save some considerable amounts of money in your balance. But that is not the best way of using this website. Now, most people, when they connect to freebitco.in, use this website in order to gamble or take part in the high-low games and so on, so all of these things that involve luck. But we are not going to count on luck today, and actually, we're going to implement a full strategy that is proven to work and is going to generate you some considerable amounts of money. Now, you can involve yourself in all of these contests, such as the high-low game, the lottery. You're free to do so, but I want you guys to focus on the referral contest over here. And if you look closely, you can earn up to $10,000 in Bitcoin every month. And as you might imagine, the first thing you need to do is simply sign up on the website. So click on this button over here, enter your email address, enter a password, and you're good to go. Now, once you have logged into your account, this will be your dashboard. But if you click on the section that is called Refer over here, you will find your unique referral link. And you can share this one with your friends, you can share with other people, but in order to leverage this method, I have a full strategy that I'm going to share in the following minutes that is going to get you the traffic that you need in order to earn some significant amounts of cash. What I want you guys to do is go over to obsproject.com and download this app. I'm also using it in order to record this video. I have used it for quite some time now, and it's done the job for me. After you've done so, you can go back to freebitco.in and simply do a review of the website. You don't need to have a professional equipment in order to do that. You can simply record your screen and record your voice as well. You can do it using your built-in microphone that your laptop or computer has. You can also use your smartphone in order to do so. So there are a few different ways you can do it without needing the professional equipment that will cost you a lot of money. And the videos only need to be 2 or 3 minutes long because Bitcoin is a really hot topic nowadays and people want to find out new ways of generating Bitcoin for free, and this website is a good option. Once you have those videos, you can simply go over to youtube.com and click here on this icon that says create and upload those. And what you want to do in order to start generating money is paste your affiliate link in the first line of your description, because that is how you're going to drive traffic to the website and how you're going to earn money through referrals. And guys, if you don't believe me, you can simply do a search on YouTube by typing free Bitcoin, and that is going to give you an excellent search volume. So that means your videos have a very high chance of generating thousands of views. And if you get 100 people or a few hundred people to sign up to free Bitcoin and start generating money there, you can also make some profits off of their referrals. And this method doesn't require any investments from your side. You don't need any money to start this because I don't want you guys to risk your money, and instead, I want you to start earning each and every single day completely passively. So you don't have to be actively involved in the process because passive income is by far the best type of income. Now, Bitcoin has gone a little bit back and forth the past few days, but is still at $37,000, which is a lot, and I think it has a huge potential to go even higher than that. And if you decide to keep your earnings in Bitcoin and you wait for it to grow, you can make some additional profits for absolutely free without doing anything special. And I must tell you guys, it's the right time to start monetizing your time online. We all have some spare time, and if you don't make use of it, you're gonna be left out. I don't want you to end up there, so take action and make your move before it's too late. Moving on to the third website, the last one on the list, and this one is going to maximize our profits and help us improve our previous results. Basically, this is a website that is going to help you mine Bitcoin. Now, guys, when you think of mining Bitcoin, you probably imagine that fancy equipment that some people have in order to do so. But you don't need to have that, and that is because this website that is called eobot.com is going to help you do so within your browser. But in order to take part in that process, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. That is basically a virtual wallet that you can set up for absolutely free on a few different websites. Actually, I have a lot of different alternatives to do so, but you need to have that in order to withdraw your rewards. One way to do it is going over to bitcoin.org and click on choose your wallet option here, then click on next button, and they are going to provide you with some basic questions. And depending on your answers, they're going to recommend the best wallet for you. Or you can also do some research on the web and you can choose one of these options such as Coinbase, Ledger, Robinhood, Exodus, whichever you want. I've personally used Coinbase in the past and I'm quite happy with that. You can also make some additional profits. I'm going to show you in just a bit. As you can see, if you go over to coinbase.com, for simply completing some micro tasks, you'll get somewhere around $120. And you just need to learn about all these new cryptocurrencies, and Coinbase is going to pay you for that. But that is just a bonus. The main thing here is that you have a Bitcoin wallet so that these guys at eobot.com can send you your rewards. Now, this is not completely free and you're going to pay a certain amount of money for credits, but this is how it combines the previous website with this one. Basically, all of the profits that you have made on free Bitcoin, you can invest or reinvest on this website in order to start mining Bitcoin and make even more money. Now, you can buy this credit using cryptocurrency, so you don't even have to convert those profits. You can use your Bitcoin wallet in order to invest here and earn money passively each and every single day. And as you can see, you can choose any cryptocurrency that is displayed here in order to redeem your rewards and withdraw your profits. So if you are not a huge fan of Bitcoin, for example, you can choose whichever option suits you best. So basically, you have a lot of different options, and I believe that this is a way you can maximize your profits and turn a few bucks into much more than that. Having that in mind, I want you guys to give this one a shot and come back to this video and leave your feedback down below. Please tell me how much money you were able to generate in the first week, because I'm interested to see that you guys get actual results, and I will be really happy to know that I've helped someone. That's it for now, guys. Please remember to take action, work hard, and I will see you next time.